After a lot of people try a bunch of methods to make sales on Redbubble, Amazon Merch and Etsy, today I will show you how I was able to make some easy sales on Redbubble with a free method. I still use this method until this moment, but I really not focus on my branch in the med business these days because I put a lot of work and focus on my crypto investment. But I will make daily videos on this channel. Videos will help you a lot to make more sales, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. And guys, if you benefit from any video I give you on this channel, don't forget to give it a like because that motivates me to do more videos like this and also help me to understand the kind of videos you want me to do. So let's get started. Open your Facebook account. Like I said, this method it's easy to use. After, write this phrase in the search bar. I want this shirt. So it will show you a lot of results for people who love a specific t-shirt and want to buy it. Like these ones. Like you see all these people search and want these t-shirts to buy it. And you can click add filter and select 2021 to see the new ones. And if you open Twitter and use the same method, also there is some people search for a specific t-shirt and want to buy it. Now what you can do, this method is like trends. When you see a user search for a specific t-shirt, you just design it for him. And you can put your link in the comment of the post of the user. But the best way is contact him and say that you find the t-shirt he wants and give him the link of your design. Easy, right? And you can use the same method on Facebook and Twitter. So guys, if you see this method useful, give the video a like and enjoy our Facebook group for more tips like this. And yeah, that's it. See you later.